Yeah, I was watching the news earlier, and I noticed that somebody went to YouTube headquarters in California and shot three people. Um, yeah, this is really crazy.
Shots fired to the rear of 901 Cherry Avenue. We have a report of subject with a gun. They heard 7 to 8 shots being fired. This will be from the YouTube building.
It got crazy later on when I found out that the shooter went to shoot people at YouTube headquarters because she wasn't happy with the YouTube policy on videos and monetizing your videos and all that. And serio, really, you're gonna go on the shooting spree and then kill yourself because you disagree with YouTube policy. I won't pay any money to see these videos. So why YouTube should pay her to, or anyone, to see the videos? It's the problem that we have nowadays is that everybody feel entitled to something. So it's because you put some videos on YouTube doesn't mean that you're gonna become rich and famous like Casey Neistat or some of the other guys that make a lot of money out of YouTube. I mean, they were the pioneers. They set the standards, and now everybody else want to be basically, make some money, make a career out of YouTube. Well, I make videos on YouTube, and I don't plan to be rich on YouTube. As a matter of fact, I only got 215 subscribers, which is a lot for me, and probably more than I need. And also my views go, between 100, 200. I have 1,000, but I never got a single penny from YouTube. But I do it for fun. I like to go out, and I like to have fun. I like to share my experiences with people, and some people like it. Other people don't like it. They don't watch my videos, so that's their choice. I can't force anybody to watch my videos. Back in February, I believe February the 20th, they changed their policy with regard to monetizing your videos. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you must have like 20,000 views, something. I have more than 20,000 views in my videos, but I only have, back then I only have like 100 and something subscribers. I have like maybe 800 friends, friends on Facebook, and I send a message on Facebook. I say, hey friends, subscribe to my channel because YouTube, you're going to change the policy, what you can do, what you cannot do, unless you have 1,000 subscribers and all that. And guess what? I only got like 4 additional subscribers. So all those people that have Facebook, the great majority, 99.9%, don't watch my videos. So, but doesn't stop me. I like to go out, and I like to share my experiences with other people, and I feel good about it. It's up to you if you want to watch my videos, and if you don't, it's fine with me too. But I won't go on a shooting spree and go to my friends' houses and shoot them because they don't watch my videos, or I won't go to YouTube headquarters and start shooting people because they don't pay me. They changed the policy. It's a company. They have their own rules. For me, it's a platform that I use for free to share my experiences. And same thing with Facebook. Facebook don't pay me. I put pictures there. I used to put a lot of pictures there, but I like to do video better now. It's a therapy for me, and I feel good about it. The first time I told my friends I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, I was 60 years old. I was 60, and people say, "What the fuck? you're 60 years old, you're gonna open a YouTube account. What is the problem with that? Well, your safety, why not? Oh, but you shouldn't. This is for young people. I feel young, so if you want to be old, it's your choice. But I'd rather enjoy my time. Have a good time with it. This is very fortunate that this lady chose to go and try to kill these people at YouTube headquarters. Chances are that the people that she shot, they have nothing to do with the YouTube policy, or they are not part of the management or the people that make decisions. They're probably just normal employees that they were happy to have a job there, and they were making a living. Like this other lady wanted to do a living on YouTube. They were making a living working at YouTube, and she went over there and shot them.
Being discriminated and filtered on YouTube, and I'm not the only one.
In a 2-minute YouTube video, Nasim Aghdam complains about the company's policies.
Now that was in California, one of the most liberal states, and now they're going, oh, weapons, weapons kill, all that. Well, now they're going to ban YouTube because YouTube kill. This is crazy. If you're sick in the head, you cannot be blaming stuff. People are blaming the police because they didn't act on time. They are blaming all that. Well, the father said that he warned the police.
The father of Nasim Aghdam told CBS News his daughter was very upset with YouTube, and he warned police about her. Her numerous videos touch on a wide range of subjects and include parodies. Police believe the people she shot were chosen at random.
That was it. I mean, it was my daughter, and I know she was really disruptive of anger. She have a lot of angers against YouTube, and she might do something like that. She gonna head down to. I will get in my car. I will go and look for her myself. My daughter, and she might go in harm's way, which she did. She died. He lost his daughter a couple of days before her birthday, and all he had to say, "Oh, I warned the police." Come on, guys, people like to find an excuse for everything. Nowadays, everybody's entitled to something. I didn't get this, I didn't get that. Come on, people, grow up and get a job, get a life. What I'm trying to say is that's pretty sad. It's sad that this lady lost her life. It's more sad that she lost her life for something that I find so stupid. Like YouTube, they don't get enough viewers because I'm a vegan and pro animals. So that, hey, I'm pro animals too. I don't like animals to be abused. I like a good steak. I like fried chicken. I like all of that. But I don't agree that they be abused. They have to be killed in the most humane way that you can. I'm not a vegan. My son is a vegan, and he tells me about it. I respect that. He respects me eating my steak, and he's a vegan, and I begging for a good steak. But it doesn't mean I'm gonna go kicking dogs or patronizing abuse on animals. I love dogs. I hate people who abuse them, cats or domestic animals. But I won't be killing people because people are eating beef or eating chicken or whatever, or goat. yes, it's against that. I will protest. Is you can protest against that. I mean, some people might say you are crazy because you are vegan, and but I respect your right to be a vegan, but don't go crazy about it. So, my advice to you is, YouTubers, my friends, my YouTubers, all my friends there. YouTube is a platform for you to, to display the stuff you like to do. Now, if you get money, hey, more power to you. If you don't get money for it, hey, it's a free platform. You putting something out there that you proud or you really like to do, and other people might watch it, other people might not. This is a free society, and I don't have to watch your crap. You don't have to watch mine. If I find your videos good and funny, or they have some good information, I will watch them. I will hit the like button, and I even subscribe to your channel if I like what you do. But I won't just go around there and subscribing because I have to subscribe. Plus, when I put my videos, sometimes I do it in Spanish and sometimes I do it in English, and I get likes and sometimes I get dislikes, and I appreciate that. I mean, it gives me a feel that somebody is actually being honest. They didn't like it, fine. They didn't like it, I don't have no problem with that. You like it, thank you very much. But plus that make me give me that strength, give me that will, to do more videos. Right now, my wife don't like to be in my videos, and it's fine. That she get angry at me sometimes because I do videos when we go out. But I try to do, a little bit of, footage every time we go somewhere, and I try to keep her away from my videos. And some people don't like to be in videos for X reasons, I don't know. And other people don't even like their picture taken. And I have some friends like that, that maybe they're super spies or something, and but they might be wanted by the Interpol. But it's a choice. I respect that. If I'm filming somewhere and you say, Felix, I don't want to be in your video or your picture, let me know. I won't get mad. You know what really bothers me? When I pay for an entrance like a castle or somewhere, and the first thing you have is no pictures, no video, no camera, no. Oh, come on, guys! What the hell? So what I do, I don't go in. It's my choice. Or I can go in and look, but it's. So guys, take it easy, man. Let's do some good videos. Let's have a great time. Don't let the money this. Everybody thinks about money nowadays. So hey, you want money, get a job. If you're not good enough to make good videos like some people do, and make a lot of money, then not everybody can be a hero. Because if everybody's a hero, who gonna be watching the parade? So some people have to be in the public to applaud you, to say, hey, that was really good, And I wish I could have a lot of viewers like Casey Neistat or other guys. I only mention Casey because I like his videos. I think he no longer do videos on that, but I kind of enjoy his videos. A lot of the videos were about nothing, but I really enjoy the way he uses camera, the music, and the way he does those combinations, and his way of doing things. And he was one of the originals, and it's pretty hard to beat. But stay there, And if you like my video, give me a like. You like to follow me? Subscribe. I'm here in Germany now. I'll be traveling all over Europe. So if you like traveling, right below. Tell me, hey Felix, go to this place, go to that place. I'll try to make it there, take a picture, make a video of the place. There's plenty of places to go here in Germany. Guys, take it easy, and God bless you all. You know, take it easy with YouTube, okay? Take it easy with life. Life is beautiful. Enjoy your life. It's more in life than YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. It's always something more. So don't end your life because you have a problem. Ending your life for whatever reason is a terminal solution. You can't go back. You can't get back once you know. But if you try to do something different with your life, you might enjoy it. And take care, guys.